Welcome back. Now, if you've saved your recording to the cloud and you have the pro version, when you finish your webinar, one of the things you'll notice is that your recording will be processing in your recording area, and you'll need to click the tab that says Cloud Recordings, and you'll see the processing taking place. If you've done a recording and you've saved it to your local device, you'll see if you click this tab, you'll have that recording available to you, and Zoom will note the location where that recording has been saved. If we want to delete that recording, all we'll need to do is to click this link, and then we'll click this delete button. And we can do the same for the cloud recording once its process is complete. Once your process is complete, what you can do is you can come to your recordings, you can go to this More tab, and then you're going to either download the files or delete them. Now, if you need to download them to edit them, to process them, you can click Download. Now, your browser may alert you that Zoom wants to download multiple files. If that's the case, you're going to click Allow. You'll then see your files availavailable to you in M4A format for audio and MP4 format for video. And once you've successfully downloaded your files, you'll want to go ahead and delete them so you'll be able to manage your storage as you go. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.